guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be teaching you how to cook this beef tadtarin recipe of my grandma. So if you are as excited as I am, then let's proceed with the video. So before we proceed with the cooking, let's go through the ingredients. First, we will be needing a non-lean minced beef 1 kilogram. So it's up to you, but I prefer non-lean than the lean one so that there will be a little fat inside it. And then we will be needing 5 cloves of garlic minced. And for onion, you'll need 1 large onion sliced and as well as 1 large tomato sliced. For the seasoning, I will be using 2 cubes of nor beef and as well as 1 packet of sinigang sampalok mix. And for the veggies, we will be needing 2 cups of long green beans or snake beans or what we call sitaw. So that's it for the ingredients. Let's proceed with the cooking. On a heated pan, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil and start sauteing. Start with the sliced onions. And now let's add the garlic. Saute it for about a minute or 2. Now that the garlic and onions are softened, make sure that it doesn't get burned before you add in the tomatoes. After adding the tomatoes, saute it for another 2 more minutes. Now let's add the minced beef. Make sure to stir it well. Let it simmer or cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now, after 5 minutes, it's time to add the seasoning. I'm adding now 2 nor beef bouillon, and I will also add the sinigang mix as well as additional seasoning like salt, pepper, or if you prefer, you can also add fish sauce instead of salt. Once all the seasoning are added, stir it well and let it cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. After 3 to 5 minutes, it's now time to add water. Now I'm just adding 1 liter of water into the pan. And let it cook for about another 5 minutes before we add the beans. After simmering for about 5 minutes, it's now time to add the long green beans. Let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Alright Marias, so my Lola's original beef tadtarin does not include this ingredient, but since we have leftover radish lying around in the fridge, I decided to add it on this dish, but it's totally optional. If you are someone like me who likes spicy food, you can also add green chili, and that's what I'm doing right now. As soon as the vegetables are cooked as per your liking, like I want it to be a little bit crispy, you can now turn off the gas and this bad boy is ready to serve. So there you have it, my grandma's beef tadtarin recipe. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video as much as I did. And if you do, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it to all your friends and family who you think might enjoy this dish as well. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Keep safe everyone. Goodbye!